It's very sweet.
The drinking IV that keeps Japan's 60-year-olds young. Brown rice amazake. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Hachiaki Takamiya, a 63-year-old biohacker based on Japanese natural health and the author of the Ikigai diet. I have been sharing with you about Koji, which is Koji mold, and that is the base of many Japanese fermented foods such as miso, soy sauce, amazake, and koji pickles. And in the last video, I shared with you how to make koji fermented vegetables. The actual title is This Japanese Koji Pickling Trick Beats Every Ziploc Recipe. And today, I will share with you amazake, how to make amazake, but not regular amazake, which is made with white rice. I'll share with you how to make brown rice amazake, which is much healthier. So first, I'll share with you what is amazake, why it is called the drinking IV, and then why it keeps Japan 60-year-olds young, how to use amazake in your daily routine, how to have amazake, and when to have amazake, when a good time to have amazake, and finally, how to make brown rice amazake, which is much healthier than regular amazake. So if you want to learn how to make healthy amazake, please watch the video until the end. For those of you who just discovered this video today, this is the Ikigai diet channel, which is about how to increase health span for people over 50 or 60. I am the author of 4 books. I usually cover things like diet, exercise, mindset, and anything else that is related to increasing health span. So if you're over 50 or 60 and interested in health span extension, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, what is amazake? Amazake is a traditional Japanese fermented rice drink, often called drinking IV drip, due to its dense concentration of life-sustaining nutrients. Unlike alcohol-based drink, except the regular sake, this liquid gold is made by inoculating steamed rice with koji, Aspergillus oryzae, which naturally transforms starches into easy-to-digest glucose and functional fibers. For the Ikigai biohacker, it serves as a potent non-alcoholic elixir packed with over 100 live enzymes, B vitamins, and prebiotics that fuel both gut health and long-term vitality. Why it is called the drinking IV? Your body absorbs the nutrient instantly. The koji has already pre-digested the rice into glucose and amino acids. Your body absorbs this energy instantly with zero digestive strain. It is the perfect recovery drink after your workout. Why it keeps Japan 60-year-olds young? The beauty and brain B vitamins. Koji fermentation naturally synthesizes a massive complex of B vitamins, B1, B2, B6, and biotin. For the skin, biotin and B2 are essential for collagen synthesis and skin repair, keeping you looking young at 60. For the brain, these vitamins are the fuel for your neurotransmitters, helping you maintain your focus during your intellectual activities. The bifidobacteria fertilizer, prebiotics, Amazake is rich in oligosaccharides and dietary fiber, which can feed bifidobacteria in the gut. It contains the broken down short-chain oligosaccharides that can easily be consumed by bifidobacteria. As we pass 60, the amount of bifidobacteria begins decreasing, and it becomes even more critical to feed bifidobacteria to thrive. So I shared with you this bacterial relay before. So bifidobacteria and lactic acid bacteria are both beneficial gut bacteria, and their role is to eventually produce short-chain fatty acid called propionate, acetate, butyrate. And for the bifidobacteria, they produce acetate. And then using this acetate, butyrate-producing bacteria, which is another beneficial gut bacteria, produce butyrate. Therefore, bifidobacteria is involved in the process of producing butyrate. So basically, it helps produce both acetate and butyrate, which are the two main short-chain fatty acid. Therefore, bifidobacteria are incredibly important in your gut, and you want to increase this bacteria as much as possible. But how do you do that? You need to feed bifidobacteria by giving prebiotics, which are fiber or oligosaccharides. However, bifidobacteria are not good at breaking down fiber and oligosaccharides, because this is usually a long chain oligosaccharide. And then in this relay, I told you that natto bacteria support bifidobacteria by breaking down these guys into short chain oligosaccharide. Once it becomes this state, it becomes easier for bifidobacteria to consume. Therefore, eating both fiber and natto is one way of increasing bifidobacteria in your gut. But Koji has the same effect. It creates short-chain oligosaccharide. So without the help of natto bacteria, Koji can support bifidobacteria. Therefore, you have options of eating natto, Koji pickles, and Amazake. The kojic acid shield. Amazake contains kojic acid, a powerful antioxidant produced by koji. It helps inhibit the production of melanin, reducing age spots, and fight oxidative stress in the blood vessels. This is a key vertical tool for systemic longevity. Okay, next. How to use Amazake in your daily routines. How to have Amazake. First, the straight biohacker shot. Drink it as it is, but warm it slightly below 60 degrees centigrade, which is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, to keep the enzymes alive. Don't just gulp it, chew the liquid, because Amazake includes some rice, so chew the rice as well. This mixes it with your saliva's enzymes, starting the bacterial relay in your mouth. This is good as a post-workout drink or pre-workout drink. The triple power morning bowl. Mix your Amazake with your kefir or yogurt muesli. The Amazake provides oligosaccharides prebiotics that feed the lactic bacillus in your kefir or bifidobacteria in your yogurt. It creates a living yogurt that is naturally sweet without any added white sugar. The natural sweetener that can be used in cooking, use it in your dishes instead of mirin or sugar. For dressings, mix Amazake with shoyu and ginger for a powerful hakko salad dressing. Hakko means fermentation. Smoothies. Use it as the base for a green smoothie. It flames the bitterness of kale or spinach, making those healthy greens delicious. Okay, when to have Amazake? When a good time to have Amazake? The morning spark pre-workout. Because the koji has already broken down the rice into glucose, Amazake provides instant fuel. If you take a small glass 30 minutes before your sprints or pull-ups, it gives your muscle the glycogen they need without making your stomach feel heavy. It's the ultimate natural pre-workout. The 3 p.m. slump, mental clarity. This is when your brain usually craves sugar or caffeine. The B vitamins in Amazake fuel your neurotransmitters. Instead of a sugar crash from a cookie, the brown rice Amazake gives you a steady glow of energy to finish your work. The post-workout super power bowl. One is this triple power morning bowl that I shared with you. So mix your Amazake with your kefir or yogurt muesli. It is great. If you work out in the morning fasted, then after your workout, you can have this triple power morning bowl. And protease in Amazake break down the protein in the muesli, and you can absorb the amino acid much more efficiently than eating it without Amazake. Then the protein salad bowl. If you don't work out in the morning, like maybe if you work out kind of before lunch, then you can have Amazake with your salad. So mix Amazake with steamed beans such as chickpeas and seeds such as pumpkin seeds and let them sit in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Then put them in your salad with your dressing. This way, again, protease in Amazake break down the protein in the beans and seeds to amino acid. It becomes easier for you to digest. And even if you don't let them sit in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, you just use Amazake in your salad dressing, the protease still break down protein in your body during your digestion. Therefore, it is a good idea to use Amazake just in your salad dressing too. Okay, now you must be very eager to learn how to make brown rice Amazake. So that's what I'll share with you now. All right, how to make brown rice Amazake. So first of all, what you need, so you need 250 grams of koji and 250 grams of brown rice, cooked brown rice, and then 500 milliliters of water. So the ratio is brown rice 1, koji 1, water 2. And then you want to mix them together in the glass container of a yogurt maker. So I put the rice, then I pour water, then I mix them together. Now, since the rice is hot, you want to check the temperature to see if it doesn't go over 60 degrees centigrade. I'll check the temperature. Right, yeah, it is below 60 degrees, so that's okay. Now, if it goes over 60 degrees, koji might not survive, so you want to keep it below 60 degrees centigrade. And now you mix koji with the rice and water. You mix them all together. Good. And then you put the lid on and then put it in the yogurt maker. Okay, now so you want to set the temperature to between 50 degrees and 60 degrees centigrade. So I put like 58, and then the time is between 8 to 10 hours. So I just set for about 10 hours, but somewhere between 8 to 10 hours. And then you put the lid on, and then you start the switch. So then that is ready. So you just need to wait for 8 to 10 hours. Okay, it is about 8 hours later. It is like this. Open the lid. It looks like this from the top. So this is Amazake, the brown rice Amazake. Well, try it. Smells good. It's very sweet. Yeah, it came out nicely. Now, if you're interested in Japanese diet, Japanese natural diet, please read the Ikigai diet. The book covers many helpful information such as 一物全体食、一汁三菜、震度富士、and hare and care. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Hachiaki Takamiya, the author of the Ikigai Diet. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Have you tried Amazake? And if you have, how did you have it? Did you put it in your salad dressing or did you drink it as it is? So please share your experiences in the comments below. Now, I told you that both bifidobacteria and Koji support bifidobacteria, but what is the difference? I talked about the difference between the two in this video. Please watch it.